Hey there, Tim here from Income TV. Today I'd like to share with you 5 investors that you need to be watching and following now. Before we get started, I just want to remind you that when you're done watching this video, be sure to leave a comment below to be eligible for our daily comment cash contest. Details of the contest are located in the comments below. Alright, let's get started. There's no question in my mind that the single best way to learn how to do something is to watch and imitate the habits of those who perform at the tops of their fields. Nowhere is this more true than in the world of investing. One of the most important decisions you'll ever make with regards to investing your cash is who you choose to emulate. That may sound a little odd to you, but it's true. I'm not trying to downplay your originality or creativity at all, far from it. Of course, your input is the most important ingredient to successful investing, but it needs to be informed by the habits and mannerisms of the titans. What I want to do today is introduce you to 5 investors that fit that criteria. Follow them on Twitter, follow them on social media, watch what they do, and emulate it. You're going to learn 10 times more from watching these individuals than you'd ever learn in a classroom. Let's get to it. Number 1, Warren Buffett. A man so ridiculously successful at making money, he has garnered a near mystical reputation. Otherwise rational people have ascribed titles such as Oracle, Prophet, and even Wizard to him based solely on his ability to generate revenue. If you ignore the next 4 people on this list, you literally cannot afford to ignore Warren Buffett. The chairman of Berkshire Hathaway since the 70s, his contributions to the field of economics are too numerous to list here. With a net worth of $88.5 billion as of today, it's hard to think of a single person more qualified to learn from than him. Next up, George Soros, a controversial but undeniably brilliant figure in the world of investment. His championship of liberal causes around the globe tends to make him a polarizing figure. Whatever your political beliefs, this is someone you could learn from. A renowned author and investor, he founded the Quantum Endowment Fund, a wildly successful hedge fund that spawned many important and dynamic companies. His current net worth is $8.3 billion, and that's not even taking into account the untold sums he has donated to various philanthropic causes around the world. Number 3, David Tepper, another hedge fund billionaire, albeit from a very different approach. Tepper is most known for his work with investments other investors wouldn't touch, things like the assets of distressed companies. Cutting his teeth at Goldman Sachs, he has gone on to accrue a personal net worth of $11.6 billion and is definitely a man to watch. Oh, he also owns a football team, the Carolina Panthers. No big deal. Number 4, Jim Rogers. Rogers was the co-founder of the Quantum Endowment Fund alongside George Soros. One truism that you'll quickly discover in the world of finance is that successful people often attract other successful people. Successful may be of a bit of an understatement here. He's known for securing returns of 4,200% during his time with Soros. And no, I didn't misplace any decimals there. With a personal net worth of around $300 million, he's definitely a voice not to be missed. Last but not least, we have number 5, Timothy Sykes. A prolific and successful investor in penny stocks, this is a guy who has definitely put in some legwork to earn his fortune. Heavily involved in social media and internet marketing, he is someone you should really check out as an example of success on the cutting edge. His accessibility and immediacy make him a particularly strong candidate for emulation. Check him out on Twitter and around the web now. So that's it, 5 investors you need to watch and follow today. Warren Buffett, George Soros, David Tepper, Jim Rogers, and Timothy Sykes. Check them out on social media for sure, but take special note of the fact that all of these guys are prolific authors. Taking the time to sit down and read their thoughts in depth is something I would highly recommend, and would be an investment of your time that could end up paying off in a major way. Follow these guys, listen to what they say, read the books they write, and incorporate their habits into your investing. Sometimes it really is that simple. Thanks so much for taking the time to watch this video. If you enjoyed it and learned something, give it a thumbs up below. Be sure to subscribe to this channel and tick the little bell icon to be notified as soon as new videos are released. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comment section below, and I'll do my best to respond as quickly as possible. Thanks again for watching. I'll see you next time.